G'day everyone, I am Daniel from Orbit Plumbing. Today I'm going to show you how to unblock a toilet. Now the most important thing to remember about toilets is the sewer system that connects to the bottom of the toilet down here. This is actually connected to the rest of the house as well. So what we want to try and do is we want to try to achieve a pressure from the toilet onto the blockage. So by flushing the toilet, what we'll do is, this is a simulation obviously, so you want to be doing this with the lid open to make sure it's not going to overflow. You want to make sure that the toilet water is up as high as it can possibly be. And what that does is it puts what's called head pressure onto the blockage. So it's putting a type of pressure on the blockage itself. And then what we want to do from the other side of that blockage is we want to create a siphon effect from turning on all of the other taps in the house. So what you do next is go around, turn on as many of the other taps as you possibly can, remembering to keep an eye that none of them are going to overflow, which is the most important thing. Now, 9 times out of 10, just by doing these two things, you will clear a blockage in your toilet. If that doesn't work, this is the type of plunger you need. One of those old black plunger suction cups with a wooden stick is going to take forever. What you want to do with this, put it directly into the toilet and make sure when you're using it, you're pushing all the way down. Because what's that effectively doing, you're filling all of this up with water, right, inside the toilet. And then you're blasting that water down through the pipe and onto that blockage. So hopefully that extra blast is enough pressure to push that blockage straight through, and I'm pretty confident that's going to unblock nearly all of your blockages. Now if you do this for probably up to 10 minutes and the blockage still hasn't cleared, then I'd say you've got something a bit more serious, and the next step's going to be probably to call a plumber. Unless you've got your own equipment, you probably need a high pressure jetter or even a electric eel. What they actually call them is drain cleaners. I have a lot of that equipment, and I go out to a lot of call outs that are for just block toilets, and I turn up to the job and I literally do the exact thing I've just explained. Make sure the toilet's filled up, turn all the other taps on, create a siphonage in the drainage pipe, plus a pressure on the other side of that blockage. If that doesn't clear it straight away, this extra will. And like I said, then if that doesn't work, you need to go to further options. But that should get you through, I would imagine, and clear pretty much most blockages. Cheers guys, have a good one.